Good morning and welcome back to the house flip. Where do you see all the stuff that we've gotten done? Nice. We're working on the stucco here. Of course, you know we got a new garage door. Now we got even a new entryway door. Let's go in and see what's happening. Oh yeah, cool, man. So we had that old wood paneling up here, so we decided to go back with sheetrock just to make it look cleaner. We'll get this painted. And Sarah should be in here. I think we've got cabinet folks in here today. Amigazo.
Yeah, amigo.
¿Qué onda, güey? ¿Cómo está?
Todo bien, todo bien.
It's looking good, man.
Good.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, it's just the way the light is in my home.
Sorry, I'm late, boss.
Yeah, you are late. Yeah, so this would be like a 36 inch. Okay. 34.5 inch pole. 36 inch gas top.
Yeah, we got gas, everything in the house.
Yep.
Miss Kim.
36 inch. Are you going to downdraft it, or are you going to have the vent stuck it out?
Why are you looking at me, lady?
I don't know what any of that means. It has to have a vent. Yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah, that looks good.
Do you know anybody locally that does this? I found some places online.
I don't. I don't know. The only metal guys I know do like aluminum and steel.
So we're gonna go back. We've got the lady with the affordable granite out of Aiken, South Carolina out here, and cabinets. And so they're gonna do granite countertops all around the edge. Of course, the island over here. Put us up some new cabinets. And let's go into the great room. Oh man, they got it painted. Check it out, y'all. Heck yeah, that looks awesome. Of course, we're gonna put a new fan feature in the top. Probably keep the can lights. I gotta get my butt to work and make sure that the gas fireplace is working. It should be, as long as the gas is turned on. And I'm pretty sure I showed you guys the deck. Let's go take a look because they should have the new fence up. Oh yes, nice. This looks fantastic, you guys. I can't wait to get rid of this purple. We're going back with a cream color on the exterior paint. Let's go down here and check out the new privacy fence. So here in this neighborhood, you can't put up a privacy fence unless you had one. So you have to be like grandfathered in for some reason. I don't know. They have a bunch of rules in this POA, HOA, whatever you want to call it. So fortunately for us, we were grandfathered in. Now we've got a nice new privacy fence. Cannot wait to get in here and get this mess cleaned up and really just fix it up nice. So the yard's a lot bigger than I originally thought, just because it goes so far back into this corner. Put a nice little, maybe a picnic area back here, or you know, at least a little bench, have a little meditation garden. I am excited, you guys. This is gonna be awesome. Let's go around here and see. Yeah, I believe I showed you guys this. We had two new HVAC units installed. This one has the gas furnace on the outside, and then the other unit, brand new 2.5 ton, has the gas pack up in the attic. That's just the way it was, so we went back the same way. But brand new AC unit. I tell you what, this house is gonna look so dang good after we get done. I'm not gonna want to sell it. I just want to live here. I still got to get out here, prune up all the azaleas. I did a little bit of pruning of these shrubs last time I was here. Cut the grass. We got to get this refrigerator into the garage. Do some nice little plantings right here. Bring in some of our mulch. Get the beds outlined and mulched, and it's gonna look sharp. We're gonna sand down the door. Try to take some brass cleaner and clean up the brass features right there. But so far, so good, you guys. It's really, really coming along, and quickly too. Thank goodness. That'll help us go ahead and get this thing on the market even faster. I've never done stucco, so I guess I'll have to like sand that down to kind of make it match. I'm not really sure. But once we get this all stuccoed up, then we have to wait on the POA's approval to paint the house. I doubt they're gonna give us a hard time going from this purple, whatever it is, to a nice cream color. So that should go through day after tomorrow. Then again, once we get the stucco done, we can paint her.
Now, do you want this to be any bigger, any longer? Because right now now in your photo, you've got counter and then you've got an overhang, and that's it.
Right.
You have space to come out further if you so choose,
Mm-hmm.
and do overhang over there and over here, so you have more like a breakfast table.
I think you probably should at least come this way, because that's pretty teeny.
I don't want it to go
No.
No,
that way,
yeah. But you got all
out
this
here
room to come
would
this
be
way,
nice.
yeah.
Would it need extra support or just this?
Well, with the new cabinets, we can frame it the way you need to. You just need, because you're getting rid of these.
Yeah.
So pretend like those aren't there anymore.
Yeah.
We're just looking at
Bringing it out to
space,
here.
however you want.
That's-
Because now, without having to have legs, you can do, with the quartz, you can do like 15 inches without any support.
Okay.
So if we'll walk on this side.
It would be nice to bring it out to like
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, almost
least.
to where your
And then you
draft
could
is.
really get 4 chairs
Mhm.
here.
Yep.
And Miss Kim, you said you could do 15 inches without support
Yep.
with quartz?
Yep.
Okay.
So we could change these into drawers. And do another drawer to 15 inches here, and depending on my length and when I measure, 15 inches over there. That way you have room. Ouch!
Careful, careful.
That way you have room. At least I catch it.
You caught it. Good catch.
I didn't damage the floor.
Well, yeah, I don't think you,
it's pristine.
I don't think you have anything to worry about.
Yes, I know.
That way you have your drawer space, but you have seating
Yeah.
on 2 sides. That way you still have functionability here.
Uh-huh.
And even when you're cooking, you got functionability here.
Right.
Love it. Yeah.
Yep.
Love that
And
Now
seating
this
over
becomes
here.
Your entertainment, and then if you're cooking, your back's still gonna be to everybody. But if you left-handed, you can stand this way talk.
Yeah.
That way you can still.
Yeah.
Or you may not like your company and you want to turn your back to them.
You could do that
Too,
too.
you know,
That's why
so
my
there's-
kitchen's not in the living room.
There's options.
So there's a big wall.
Yeah, I like that idea. That would be cool.
Okay. Because this right now,
I don't know. Should I keep the desk or no?
be honest, are you gonna sit here with your laptop and your everything?
I mean,
I
I don't know. Ooh, that's true.
Because people don't have desktops anymore, they have laptops.
Yeah.
So this is little over 4 feet.
Probably nobody's gonna sit at it.
No.
Let's just knock it off. Let's just all make this level.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just put cabinets all the way across and just give it extra counter space.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I agree.
It's gonna be a junk catcher.
Yeah, I mean,
I think everybody that I know that has desks in their kitchens, it just becomes a junk area.
well, and how many people actually have CPUs anymore?
Right.
Everybody has a laptop or a
Right.
tablet.
Yep.
They're not gonna sit there when they can sit
Sit here, look out the window.
Yeah. Now, he still wanting to do these as the glass cabinets. Like I said, we can just put like 2 in the center, do the center.
I like the idea of doing 2 in the center,
Okay.
just to break it up a little bit.
Okay, I'm bored. I'm going to check out the rest of the house out. This is not my jam, lady. This is you.
It might just need another piece of plywood or something here to make it level.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. But that's kind of what I'm thinking for in there. This light can come down too. I'm getting a new light.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know about these medicine cabinet things.
I would just paint them and leave them. We'll just paint outside and inside and leave them. I kind of like them. And the door for that one is over here.
Yeah.
And we got to get a new toilet.
Oh, we have to get a new toilet for there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna order, this needs regrouting,
Can you do that, Celso?
Yeah.
Okay.
and I'm gonna get new faucets for in here. Well, for all the bathrooms.
Oh yeah. 18 will be good. So the new vanities are 22. So
Yeah,
it'll
with
definitely
the
cover.
three.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Okay.
Perfect. Well, Celso, can we just put this toilet back? Is there anything wrong with it?
No, that's not.
So we can reuse it?
Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect. All right, we'll just reuse that. They got all the paint in here, looking jam up. Still got a few windows that have some cracks in them that we gotta replace, but
Yeah, okay.
So they should be in next week too.
Okay.
I just gotta get it all ordered this week.
yes, you do. You better get to clicking, girl.
So all new light fixtures and all the bedrooms and bathrooms, and all new vanities in all the bathrooms.
Yep.
Yep, and faucets. And all the showers.
And then he's also gonna fix this tub down here in that Jack and Jill bathroom, you know, where the hole was still in the wall.
Yeah.
I'm glad they didn't patch it yet because we still gotta put a drain in there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, we still gotta, so he's gonna handle that for us, putting a new drain in there.
And then we're taking these out still, the shower surrounds out of those two, I think it's just the upstairs bathrooms. I don't think the downstairs bathroom has this.
I can't
I
remember.
can't remember, no, I just think it's these two bathrooms upstairs.
Okay, so go ahead and pull all of that out, but yeah, good thing we didn't go ahead and
get
patch
any
this right here
regrouting that
because we've
needs
got to
be
attach
done.
the drain to the drain pipe, then cover that. That should be good. This room looks amazing. Here's one of the windows that's cracked that we have to obviously replace. But I absolutely love the color that Sarah picked out. We went with this throughout the entire house just because it's neutral. And then the future homeowners can go back and paint it whatever color they like. Oh yeah, you told him we got approval?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
well, it's been rainy anyway, so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll have a dry spell.
But we got to finish the stucco
I guess I'm gonna finish this.
first
Yeah.
anyway, so.
Yeah.
No
That's
big
true.
deal. All right, good deal. All right, so what are we taking out here?
We're not, well, everything.
Everything.
Demo, whole kitchen
The whole thing?
goes.
And the island too?
Okay.
The island's going because we're replacing it.
Okay, so the island's going, everything.
Yep.
Okay. She's the boss. All right, so all of this has got to come out. That as well, Sarah?
Yep.
So absolutely everything.
It's getting all new cabinets.
All right. Thanks to Miss Kim.
That's right.
Then it's 1.5 inches further because of your overhang on the other side. So you'd be right about this.
Okay, that's the
This
only
line right here.
The only thing I'm worried about is it closing this off and making it more narrow. Because I'm just thinking once you put it out to here,
Yeah, how far will it come
before
out
you're
this
like
way,
able
Miss
to
Kim?
kind of walk in this way, now you're just gonna have to be like,
Well, we can bring this side over 1 inch or 2 and still be within code.
okay.
Because you only need, I think it's either 33 or 36. And right now you're at 42.
Okay.
So
Okay,
we
yeah.
can actually bring it over 2 inches to bring it out.
Okay.
Yeah,
Plus
that-
we can do a radius on that corner so it's not sharp.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
That would look good.
That way
If you
both
do a
ends-
radius on that corner, should you do them all, you reckon?
Well,
will it
you
look
can do
kind
the
of
bigger
funky?
overhangs on the overhang side, the
Right.
bigger radiuses, and
Yeah.
then still do a radius on this side, because you're gonna have cabinets.
Yeah.
So you'll have radius,
Okay.
radius, smaller, well, same radius, and then that one will have a
Okay.
smaller
And you'll
radius.
still have plenty of room to do
Oh, yeah.
dishes and that type of
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah,
That'll
you
probably
have
work out.
almost 4
Yeah.
feet right now.
My main thing is just not losing.
Yep,
Yeah, this ease
like,
of
I don't want it to
access.
feel like it's.
enclosed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Like
that's
I love
why-
the idea of the big island, but I just don't want it to feel tight.
Yeah.
No, we can move over a little bit this way, and I'm sure you have well. Oh yeah. You've got 45 inches. So we can still make it have a room and make it fit. That's why when I measure, I draw the room so I get the lengths and depths, so she can see what will work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because when she designs it, she's gonna look at your walkway, what we call your high traffics.
Yeah.
To make sure everything's still gonna flow. If
Okay.
she says it's too tight, she may say, hey, if we drop down to a 10 inch on this side, but keep 15
Okay.
here.
Perfect.
So-
Because this definitely will be
Yeah.
high traffic because everybody's
Yeah,
going to
that's
come in the
your
front door and
Yeah.
right through here.
I don't know if we even want to keep this door. Like,
Well,
what
I don't
was
know.
the
I don't
point
know
of
what
it?
purpose it really serves.
Nothing.
It's just in the way. And she's gonna do like, she's quoting us to do like an enclosed structure for the fridge. So it's not gonna be like, ooh,
Yeah,
fridge
yeah.
right here. It's gonna look like
Yeah, it needs.
cabinets
Yeah, it
right
needs
there.
to be enclosed. Yeah.
Well, and that way, instead of having the little 12-inch deep uppers, we can
Right.
do what we call counter height, counter depth,
Okay.
and bring it out. So like your bigger air fryer, your bigger things that you don't use all the time,
Right.
You can
just
stick up
stick
there.
them. Okay.
So you
store
don't
'em
have
up
that
there.
space on top of the fridge that's just like junky looking.
Wasted.
It
Yep.
can all go in the cabinet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like that's what I got at my house, and I put all the stuff that I've used rarely
I wish I had it at mine
up
because
there. Yeah.
it looks like a junk bin.
Yeah.
Well, and on mine, I actually opened mine up and I put all my grandma's and my mom's because they both passed. I put their cookbooks up there.
Oh, nice.
Perfect idea. Yeah.
There will be plenty of storage.
Yeah. This
That's what I'm
house
gonna
has
say.
got one thing going for it. There's storage everywhere.
And it already has the 2 pantries over there. Plus
Yeah.
all this,
Yeah.
plus all these cabinets.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yep, love it.
Yeah, it's got 2 huge walk-in pantries, one here, and then even bigger one over here. I gotta make sure I don't touch any wet paint. This is gonna be so cool. Cannot wait to see it done.
It's right here. Perfect. Right.
Put them right in the sink.
Sink. Okay.
But then you've got that spinner. If we do a lazy Susan here, we can always do it. But I've got all your lengths and depths. The only thing I still have to get is some pictures so she can see it.
Yeah.
And she should have a quote for you in a few days. I can use this to just kind of work up your rough estimate for your countertops. And I know you want me to quote it, the quote will show with and without splash for your full height.
Coming along, guys. I hope you'll stay tuned. This thing is going to be absolutely amazing once we get done, and we should be done pretty dang soon. See ya.